Why cook one soup when you can make two delicious soups from the same ingredients? Let me show you how I made Ogbono and Okro soup together. Today I decided to cook two delicious soups at once, Ogbono soup and Okro soup mixed with vegetable. Since both soups use almost the same ingredients, I thought why not make them together and save time? Here I started by seasoning and cooking my proteins until they were nice and tender. While they were cooking, I prepared all the ingredients needed for both soups. Recently, I learned that if you are using a running tap water or borehole water to cook your soup or your food, that you should stop it. You have to heat your water, allow it to boil, then you use it to cook. Making these two soups together is one of my favorite kitchen hacks. You get two different meals from almost the same ingredients without spending extra time and money. After the meat get done, or after the proteins get done, for the ogbono soup, I mixed the ground ogbono and added it to the pot, allowing it to cook and develop that rich, drawy texture we all love. For the okra soup, I used the same flavorful stock and ingredients, then added my chopped okra with the ogbono too because I want it to draw very well, stirring gently to keep it fresh and vibrant. And just look at the result. Two tasty Nigerian soups packed with flavor and ready to be enjoyed with your favorite swallow. Which one are you choosing today? Ogbono or Okro?